How to send an Interac e-transfer on BMO Online Banking. Let's get started with the video. Start by moving into any of the web browser. And then in the search bar, search for BMO Online Banking. Head over to the site, Online Banking Sign In. Once you're in the official site of BMO, tap on Sign In at the top of the screen. Once again, click on Sign In right here. Wait for a while for it to load. It will land you on the page where you'll be able to log into your account. Enter your user ID and the password and then click on Sign In. Once you have been logged in, it will land you on this page. Now head over to Pay and Transfer at the bottom of the screen. Now simply move into Transfer to or from another bank. Now you will be able to create a transfer. Select the account from which you want to send and also select the account where you want to send. Once done, enter the amount that you would want to send. Enter all the detailed information of the account that you would want to send. Once you have entered, tap on Next. Review your details and then click on Confirm. And there you go, your Interac e-transfer has been done successfully. So that's the wrap for this video. If it was helpful, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.